How the heart keeps you moving. The heart is a strong muscular organ that works like a pump. Its main job is to circulate blood throughout the body. The heart has four chambers, two upper chambers called atria and two lower chambers called ventricles. Blood low in oxygen enters the heart through the right atrium. It then moves to the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. This oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart through the left atrium. It then flows into the left ventricle, which pumps it into the rest of the blood. Blood carries oxygen and nutrition to all body parts, helping them work properly. The heart beats 70 times per minute continuously. It is one of the most important organs in the human body. In short, the heart keeps us alive by pumping blood and supplying oxygen to every cell.